The main advantage, I think, is not having to hire an outside contractor to come in and do the installation work. It went great. It was really easy and straightforward, and no problems, and it was kind of fun, actually. So it seems like if there is a problem, it's easy to replace an individual component. This was extremely simple and easy to install. Yeah, I'd absolutely recommend this to any friends or family. I think anybody would be able to install it in an hour or so and be happy with the results.